last leg of polls in Karnataka took place on Tuesday amid a searing heat wave. With this, voting in all 28 parliament seats in the state is completed. Former Chief Minister and senior BJP leader B.S. Yediyurappa cast his vote in Shivamoga along with his sons B.Y. Vijendra, the state BJP chief, and B.Y. Raghavendra, the sitting MP and candidate from the constituency.
100% will do very good performance in this election. Incumbency is here. So very good atmosphere, 100% good margin our party will be.
The spirit of the people is pretty clear. The people of this state wants Narendra Modi ji as a Prime Minister of this country, irrespective of Congress government here in the state, irrespective of people voting Congress party in the last assembly election. But this as parliamentary election, the people of the state will bless Bharatiya Janata Party once again.
We are going to win 24-25 seats. I've got that confidence. And wherever we go, Modi, that because of that reason, we are going to win minimum 24 to 25 seats this time also.
Former BJP minister Ishwarappa, who rebelled against the party after his son was overlooked for a ticket, is contesting as an independent candidate from Shivamoga. Former Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai cast his vote in Haveri.
You have casted your vote also. So how is the winning prospect for BJP in this third phase of election?
No, today is a voting day, celebration of democracy. So I request everybody to come out, brave the heat, come out and vote and be a part of the celebration and make democracy successful.
About the political storm that has raked up Karnataka in the second and third phase, sir, involving Prajwal Revanna?
See, that is not, I should not say anything, Baba, today. It goes against the law.
While Hubli Dharwad candidate and Union Minister Prahlad Joshi cast his vote in Hubli city. Former Chief Minister Jagdish Shettar did so in Belagavi.
Our Prime Minister candidate is Narendra Modi. Under his leadership, we are fighting the election. What is the Congress leadership? Who is the Prime Minister?
You will be briefly with the Congress. Do you think Siddaramaiah is a face to reckon with?
No,
or DK Shivkumar? Are they good leaders?
No, that is not at all issue here in the election. It is a parliament election. National level, who is the Prime Minister candidate for the Congress? Congress is a leaderless party.
Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and his son Priyank Kharge exercised their franchise in Kalaburgi.
चुनाव तो यहाँ पर अच्छा है, माहौल भी अच्छा है. इस बार कांग्रेस पार्टी को भारी बहुमत मिलेगा और इस बार एक होके सभी लोग कांग्रेस को जिताएंगे.
आप मुझे बताइए.
Welfare guarantees of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, reservation, Hubli Neha Hiramat murder case and the Prajwal Revanna sex gate were the top election issues in Karnataka.